Hi, you guys! Hello, all my ghosts and goblins. How is everybody today? Good? Excellent! I have a super fun little experiment. I said last week that maybe we'd do food today, but just kidding. We're going to do an experiment. We are going to do, are you ready? Rocket ghosts. I'm so excited. They are going to be so much fun. They're really easy to do too, which I love. The only thing, you might not have any of these bad boys lying around, like when your mom and dad and maybe your grandparents were younger. Does anybody know what these are? Show you. And the top pops off. The top pops off. Well, let me tell you. Oh, goodness gracious. There we go. So back when we were younger, you used to put film canisters in here because you had a separate camera that took pictures, and then you had to take the film and put it in here, and then you had to go get it developed, and it was so fun and it was so awesome. And well, we don't do that anymore pretty much because we have some fancy cell phones, right? I mean, I didn't even have a cell phone until I was a junior in high school. Now talk about horror there. I know, right? So crazy. But anyways, so you're going to need a film canister. If you don't have one, give me a ring, jingle jingle, and I will give you one because it's so fun to do. Then you need a magic marker. We're going to start by just drawing. I did a couple here, so we're ready to rock. Some ghost faces. So obviously super easy. I'm using a permanent marker so that when we do it, it doesn't come off or anything like that. So just simple ghosts. Then you're going to need some cornstarch. Okay, take your caps off. We're going to do a couple of these because I think this is going to be really fun. And you're going to want anywhere from 1 to 3 scoops of cornstarch. So I'm going to just do like 1 in that one, maybe a bigger one. You can experiment on more, less, what works better. Whoa, that was what you can just kind of do all sorts of fun things. I did read, I will say, that less is more in this experiment. So we will see. Okay, so now that I have those, then what you're going to do, I have just some warm water here in my jug, and I am going to fill it about, I'm going to do one about a half. Ooh, one about 2/3 full, and another one about a half. And then you are going to stir. So because they're so little, I can't fit my spoon, so I thought I'll turn it upside down. So we're just going to take a second and we're going to stir, make sure all of that is incorporated. All done. Now's when the fun happens. We've got that. Now we are going to need our handy dandy Alka-Seltzer. Now, I'm not going to do it quite yet, but we're going to get ready. In my little tablets that I have, there's 2 that come in there. What I suggest is you break them up. Oh, this one already came out nice and broken for me. Break them up into 2 or 3, depending on what you'd like to do, sections. So I've got 3 sections here. Now we just need to move over because I don't want to get in trouble for making the mess right here. So let's go this way. Okay, you guys, I have my paper down. Now, I'm thinking this might be better if we did it outside, but it's a little cold today, so we're going to do it inside. Hopefully it stays on my mat here and doesn't get all over. So I'm going to take my crushed up Alka-Seltzer piece and I am going to put it in the canister super quick, put the cap on, and turn it over. And let's see if we can make our ghost rocket. I didn't think it was working, and then, oh my goodness, that scared me, you guys. Okay, let's take a little bit closer view and watch the next one. I mixed up one more rocket ghost. So here we go. Oh, it popped in my hands. Okay, take two. Okay, third time's a charm. Here we go. We're going to do it quicker this time. I don't think that was a good cap. I think you actually do need a really good seal. So, ready, set, go. Whoop! I didn't go very far, but it sure did scare me again. Well, you guys, give it a try at home. See how high you can make your rocket ghost go in the air. Have fun!